I'm not sure, you know, I've looked up YouTube videos. I've even right here reading the directions. Press and hold the Bluetooth pair button will disconnect the current connection and search for another Bluetooth device. So, mode, pair. It doesn't seem to change the screen to indicate that it's looking for another connection. And then also aux cord. As you can see, I've plugged in my aux cord into my phone. And I will press the button and it doesn't change. The radio works fine, but I cannot use the aux, which really sucks because I'm a massage therapist and I was wanting to bring this so I could keep track of the time and play my spa music through this, and I'm just really disappointed because it's not working. Yeah. So that's why I rated it 1 star.